Here we want to use the integration by parts to find the integral of the natural log of 7 plus x squared. So we choose to let u be the natural log of 7 plus x squared, and then the rest, which is dx, will be dv. The derivative of u with respect to x will be 1 over 7 plus x squared times the derivative of 7 plus x squared, which is 2x. And so we have du is equal to 2x over 7 plus x squared dx. dv is just dx, and then integrate both sides, we get v is equal to x. And so now the integral of natural log of 7 plus x squared will be u times v, so this is u times v, minus v times du. Here we have the constant 2. We can move it and place it in front of the integral, and then x times x is x squared. So now we need to find this integral right here. So we need to find the integral of 7x squared dividing by 7 plus x squared. So for this type of problem, if we look at the degree of the top polynomial over here is 2, and the degree of the polynomial in the numerator is also 2. And so that tells us that we need to go ahead and divide this quotient right here. So using polynomial long division, and divide x squared by 7 plus x squared. And so just set it up like this in polynomial long division. Rewrite this as 0x, and then plus 7, and then divide. And we will get, using long division, we'll get 1 minus 7 over x squared plus 7. So the integral of x squared over 7 plus x squared is the integral of 1 minus 7 over x squared plus 7. And then we can rewrite this as the integral of 1 minus the integral of 7 dividing by x squared plus 7. The integral of 1 is just 1x. This constant 7, we can move it and place it in front of the integral, and now we have 1 over x squared plus 7. So this integral has the form of 1 over x squared plus a squared. And we have a tangent inverse formula for this. Recall that the derivative of 1 over a tangent inverse of x over a is 1 over a squared plus x squared. So the integral of 1 over a squared plus x squared is 1 over a tangent inverse of x over a. So for this integral right here, we can let a squared be 7, or a is the square root of 7. So the integral of 1 over x squared plus 7 will be 1 over a times an inverse of x over a, but a is the square root of 7, so we get 1 over the square root of 7 times an inverse of x over the square root of 7. So that's what the integral of 1 over x squared plus 7 is, this. And so in summary, so earlier we have the integral of the natural log of 7 plus x squared is equal to this, and then minus 2 times the integral of x squared over 7 plus x squared. And we have just found that the integral of x squared over 7 plus x squared is x minus 7 times this. But this integral is 1 over the square root of 7 times tangent inverse of x over the square root of 7. So it would be x minus 7 times this. And so that's what we have right here. This integral is equal to this. Two times x is 2x, negative minus 2 times minus 7 is plus 14. And so the final answer would be natural log of 7 plus x squared times x minus 2x, 14 over the square root of 7 times tangent inverse of x over the square root of 7.